Welcome to the 12 Days of IT Giveaways. I'm your host, Lauren Deal, and I have to say that this might be my favorite tech gadget that we've given away yet. So this is let's look closely, the DJI OM4SE. And what does that mean to you? This is a gimbal stabilizer. And it's perfect for if you're making home movies of the kids, maybe you're a budding TikToker, or maybe you just want to dabble in wedding cinematography. This might be your best friend. I know I have shaky hands and I don't have the newest iPhone or Android, but this is compatible with both. And it's fantastic because if you open it up, it's very simple to use. Let's take a peek, shall we? So the nice thing about this is all the directions are right inside, and this is very user-friendly for someone who's just getting into this field or just hobby. Now here's more directions and more kind of charging cords that you might need, but let's get to the really exciting piece. When we pull this out, it has a tripod that makes it easy to stand on its own, so you just have to screw that onto the bottom. It has the 3 legs that pop out, 1, 2, 3, okay? And it has a magnetic clip, and I just want to show you how easy this is, even with someone with long nails, how to clip your phone in. It just stretches and magnetically holds onto the back of your iPhone or your Android. Both are compatible. This is going to be the most amazing Christmas gift you have so that you can film all of your family members and friends opening their presents. I'm really excited to give this away because over 14,000 people have raved about this on Amazon, and you might be the next one. Easy to use, and the battery life is incredible, and so you'll be filming for hours on end. And so this is our gimbal stabilizer, and I'm so excited to give this away as part of our IT 12 Days of Christmas. So thanks so much for watching, and hopefully this is coming home with you.
If you want to win that or any of the other prizes you've seen on our 12 Days of IT, then head over to itpro.tv/12days and you can sign up to win. Then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you see all the unboxings as they happen, and then tune in on December 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time for the live giveaway where we'll announce the winners to all of the prizes. Thanks so much, see you then, and happy holidays.